Hey champ, what if I told you that I made thousands of dollars on Facebook without spending a single dollar on ads? No paid traffic, no fancy marketing agencies, just hustle, heart, and sweat equity. And the best part, you can do it too. Even if you're starting with 0 followers, no friends, no brand. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Champ, I've been an entrepreneur since 9th grade in high school and a real estate investor since 2006. And in all that time, I've never borrowed money from a sticky banker or held a resume job. Today's session, today's lesson, is how I took that same grit and applied it to crack the Facebook code and make real money organically. Let's rewind. Get this course 100% free. Just go to myrealestatedojo.com, then click on the Start Now button. This is one of 25 plus free courses I've created to help you succeed in real estate. No credit card needed. Years ago, I was just like you. I thought the key to Facebook success was hiring the experts. I paid social media managers $300, $600 a month. And what did they do? Spam my timeline with boring posts, no leads, no revenue, no real connection. Eventually, I said, enough. If I'm going to win in this game, I have to learn it myself. And so I did. Now, real quick, before we go further, if you're looking for a way to start making money today and learn negotiation, hustle, and spotting deals in the real world, then don't miss thenewflip.com. It's how I made my first dollars flipping bicycles while building the exact skills I use to crush it in real estate and online business. Learn while you earn. Start making money today. Thenewflip.com. Let's keep going. See, Facebook isn't about pitching your product. It's not about here's my company flyer, or I sell houses, or I'm a realtor. That's old school thinking. New school marketing, it's about one thing, caring. Care about your audience. Show them value. Be human. People vote with their attention before they vote with their dollars. Let me break down my exact playbook I used to build traction organically. 1, post 3 to 5 times a day, morning, noon, and night. Not just buy my thing, share value, motivation, real stories. 2, thank anyone who shares your posts. Show love. That tiny gesture builds massive goodwill. 3, leverage Facebook groups. Share your valuable videos or content in niche groups. Don't spam, give value. 4, wish people happy birthday. Take it a step further. Drop an image, a poem, or something personal. Stand out in their notifications. Now, a quick mindset reset. When I first started this journey, I was going through a divorce. I had no network, no followers, no momentum. What helped me bounce back? It wasn't another tactic, it was a total mindset shift. That's why I created Reboot for hustlers who feel stuck, overwhelmed, or like they're spinning their wheels. Reboot will help you rewire your brain to take massive action, crush fear, and own your day. myrealestatedojo.com, Josh Reboot 5. Reply to every comment, like it, reply with gratitude, build connection. Don't sell, care. 6, like and comment on new friends' profiles. Go deep on their timeline, like 3 to 4 of their older photos, and comment on 2 posts. They'll be shocked. Who is this guy? And check you out. 7, give to those who give. If someone likes your post, return the favor, like 3 of their posts the next day. Build goodwill and strengthen the algorithm. 8, news feed patrol. Scroll your feed and like your friends' content. Be active, be visible, be positive. Everything I just showed you works. I went from $0 to over $7,000 in just a couple of months using these organic methods. No ads, no begging, just consistent, authentic human connection. This is how you build a real brand, one seed at a time. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. Rumi, don't take no for an answer. Go out there and hustle and muscle. If you got value today, do 3 things right now. Like this video, leave a comment with your number 1 takeaway, subscribe for more real-world strategies to grow your business and your mindset. Much love and peace. Coach Mr. No Fluff, founder of My Real Estate Dojo.